Hi there folks, this is Randy and you're in the Trampsworld Motorsports channel, and we're up in Kingman, Arizona, and we're up here at the Harley-Davidson dealership. That's Mother Road Harley-Davidson, and we're here for the Race in the Summer open house. And we got here a little bit early so we could look around, show you some bikes and show you some stuff before the crowds get here, and then we'll stick around, shoot some pictures and have a little fun. Alright, so let's get started by checking out some motorcycles. They've got a bunch of food trucks set up here. They should be lighting up some food. They got a band over here. They're gonna have a in-store poker run, something like that. They got their whole lineup is hanging around out here. So don't forget to make a comment down below. If you see your favorite bike, make sure you tell me about it. Give me the timestamp so I can go look at that bike too. We're going to start outside, then we'll go back inside as well. Up here at Mother Road, they sell dirt bikes, they sell street bikes, they sell side-by-sides. Says don't just look, take one for a ride. So if you were up here, you'd be able to take one for a ride if you wanted. It's only about 90 degrees up here today. By 1800 Goldwing. Back road's a little difficult to do up here like this. Got the salesman working there.
The black one's 80 degrees, the orange thing is 1200.
So while you're watching this video, you see a bike and you know what it is, you can tell me what it is. On that bike. One of those fast Ducatis right there. Suzuki V-Strom. Alright, how about if we go inside and take a look at what the dealership looks like? Good morning. How are you today?
Very well.
Check out this beautiful showroom.
I looked over it.
So yeah, we'll wander around, we'll play a little music, have a little fun. Good morning. How are you? So this is a poker run. We get to buy a card. And
It's a poker walk.
Poker run walk. You're right.
Station and you come back with you 5 cards.
You just wander around in the store.
Yeah.
Cool. How much are the tickets?
Nothing for days.
I can win a motorcycle?
Huh?
Can I win a motorcycle? Okay.
Maybe you can, but
Oh well, you know, I mean, you know.
not here you can. But maybe somewhere.
All right. We're getting good morning. Oh, in a little bit here. In a little bit. We're working here for a little bit.
Doesn't matter.
But I'll hang around for a while.
You can put your name and your phone number and we'll call you.
Okay. Thank you. I can win lots of good stuff. All right. We're nice people. See? There you go. That's for all of y'all that are just sitting and looking at them. Yeah, we'll give you a good look at these bikes today. So you come a little bit early, like I do. That way I can walk around, I can look at some of the bikes and show them to you without too many people being in the way. I want those pesky people to be in our way. Man, this dealership is beautiful. Been here a long time. I don't know exactly how long. Maybe 25 years or so or more. All that chrome. Interesting color combination there. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's funny seeing a smallish platform, a smallish bike like that with a 114 cubic inch motor in it.
Hey, you forgot the best part. Me.
Oh, well, let me make sure this guy says he's the best part. There he is.
Best part.
All right, what's your name?
I'm Mark.
What's your road name, Mark?
Asshole.
Oh,
Original.
now I have to bleep that. Okay.
Now you'll have to delete that.
I'll just bleep you out. And of course, everybody knows about the Harley Tri-Glides now, the Harley Trikes. Man, they're popular. You'll look up some of my videos, especially from Bullhead River Run. You'll see so many Tri-Glides, so many trikes. As people get a little older and they can't hold those big old giant bikes up anymore, you get a trike and you just keep on riding. So you could go shopping right now. Figure out which one you're going to buy. And you just get a hold of Mother Road, Harley-Davidson. Get a hold of a salesperson. Maybe you can buy it on the phone or buy it online. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's got big old custom wheels on it. I think that's what they call the freewheeler. Freewheeler. Tri-Glides and freewheelers. Yeah, that's pretty cool. $36,999. Just buy it online. This guy's a 2024. It's called an FLT-RT, so it's a road glide as a trike with a 114 cubic inch motor. $36,999. Don't forget the tax, license, dealer prep, and destination charges, or whatever. Call the salesman. They've got bikes stuffed everywhere here. She's got the nice nostalgic type badge on the tank. You can ride it with or without a windshield. Most people opt for a windshield anymore. Beautiful lineup of three-wheelers. So you have to comment down below. Tell me if you're ready for a three-wheeler, if you're still on two. Are you riding a Shovelhead, you're riding an Evo, twin cam, or a Milwaukee 8? The evolution of the Harleys. Let's check out a little bit more of the showroom, see what else they've got in here. Open house day, race into summer, and it is summertime. It'll be about 95 degrees here down in the valley, or down by the water where I live, like Havasu. It's 112, 113, 14 degrees. All sorts of parts on the shelves. Parts department. Hello, parts department. Then you come over here when you need parts, accessories, repair parts, what have you. You just call them up or come on in. Kingman, Arizona. Mother Road, Harley-Davidson. Buy your helmets, buy your clothing. Big showroom. Kids' clothes, man, you gotta start them early. Buy them their clothing. Pick it up as a gift. For the kids and the grandkids. More accessories. Put some chrome on that bike. So you look them up on the web at motherroadhd.com. motherroadhd.com. HD stands for Harley-Davidson. All right, we're going to wander outside to see what else is going on. We'll be back and we'll take some pictures. A little more fun. All right, so back outside here. Getting a little breezy outside. So we actually brought a couple of cameras. We brought a drone up over here. We're going to throw the drone up, but we just kind of win, probably not. What is your name, anyway?
Hi, my name is Dwayne.
Dwayne?
Yeah, I'm here from Mother Road Harley-Davidson, Kingman, Arizona. One of the salesmen here.
How long?
I've been here now about 9 months.
Oh, that's why that beard grew in.
Yeah, this is what happened. It all turned gray.
Anyway, you're going to show me what this Jumpstart is.
This is a Jumpstart. Harley-Davidson puts these things out so we can actually teach people how to ride a bike. We'll put a bike up in here, clamp it down on the front axle. The rollers actually allow them to get a feeling of how the clutch and everything feels when you take it off and how to shift. Yet you never have to leave the parking lot. It's the easiest thing in the world. I can teach anybody how to ride it. Come on up and see me, put you on a bike, teach you how to ride.
Excellent, sir. Thank you very much. So yeah, this is Randy. You've been in the Trampsworld today. Mother Road Harley-Davidson in Kingman, Arizona. We're racing the summer open house. Thank you for joining me. We're going to take off. We're going to go and take some more. Actually, I'm going to take some more pictures. And don't forget to comment down below. Subscribe and like the channel.